Our backlog demands we build more airplanes.
We're here with Beta Technologies. Kyle Clark, CEO, Chuck Davis, their great chairman, one of the most innovative commercial aircraft anywhere in the world. Thanks to Chuck's great equity investment, EXIM's loans, they are innovating, they are cutting edge, but more importantly, what they're building in America is reaching every corner of the globe.
EXIM and Beta are expanding our partnership up to $1 billion of non-dilutive capital financing. Our backlog right now is over 1,000 airplanes. The EXIM Bank financed this facility, and now we're more than quadrupling that financing so that we can add vertical integration and build more airplanes.